Guys, welcome to my video. In today's video, I'm going to be making my new iPhone 15 Pro Max coquette. I got the iPhone 15 Pro Max in black, so it's not the most coquette iPhone you could get. Definitely the iPhone 15 Plus in pink is the most coquette, but you know, I'm a Pro Max girl, what can I say? And also, I just want to apologize for the quality. I filmed it on my iPad because I don't have anything else to film it on, but I still hope you guys enjoy. Should probably turn my phone on Do Not Disturb. It's a struggle when you have Riz. I'm gonna start screen recording. Here's the inspo. If you have a look on Pinterest, you guys should totally follow me on Pinterest if you have not already. Look at all of these so cute ones. Oh my god. Oh, I love this one. It's so cute. And this is honestly my first iPhone, so I don't really know how to do this kind of stuff. Anyways, we'll struggle along together. This is like my inspo. So the first thing we're gonna do is find a flower wallpaper, because the coquette girlies love their flowers. We found a wallpaper. It's just some flowers, so let's download that and put it on my wallpaper. So I managed to do it. I managed to get a home screen and a lock screen, two different ones. Okay. Oh wait, shoot, I forgot to save it. So I've just set it as current. So let's have a look. Yes, wow. Now it's time to delete these weird widgets. And I should sort all my apps out into folders. Okay, now I have to download the widget app that is called Widgetsmith. So that's downloading now. So we'll just wait till that's finished. Widgetsmith has just downloaded. So we need to find some cute Pinterest images to go on my widgets. I have some photos from Pinterest. We're gonna make these now. Calendar for 2024, which was coquette, and I love that. Yes, we got it. We got our first one, which is a calendar. Now onto a medium one, because I found this like a cute little to-do list. Because you know, new year, new iPhone reset. I bet you coquette girlies understand, but I feel like you also understand the struggles because it's a lot of time. You know what I'm saying? Now we're gonna add some smaller ones, but I'm gonna put all of these useless little apps that not really anybody uses into a folder. And then we're gonna add a smaller widget. We got a bow, some shoes, flowers, a cute little envelope. It's so cute. Guys, it's looking so coquette already. I love it. I found an app called Color Widget, and I'm not gonna pay for Pro because why would I pay for photos on my apps? I found like one of the best ones that doesn't cost money, and it's in floral, and I'm gonna install that, but I have to watch 3 videos, but you know, it's fine. 3 videos, that's nothing. I've just been sorting it out a little bit with the apps. Here is it so far. The flowers are so cute, but I'm gonna add more widgets because we have more apps, but some of the apps, they're not really useful. Like, I don't really use stocks. Unfortunately, I don't have that skill set just yet. I think this is the home screen done. I'm very excited about. It's really cute. Here's a little tour. This is the first page you come onto, and it has a calendar and a cute little rose widget with the camera, mail, photos, and Safari. Then the next one is mainly my one that I'm on all the time, which is Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, YouTube, with a little checklist at the bottom, cute bow widget, and shoe widget. The next one's also bows, because who doesn't love bows? If you're a true coquette girly, you love bows. And then all of the other stuff which I don't really use. And then as well as here with a quote that says, "Oh, what a dreamy girl he thought, to have an angel like her to call my own." It's just the fact that we're all angels. We're angels. So that's my, like, the front of my phone. Now for the back. I really wanted to get the bow case for my phone, but they're out of stock. and that's very upsetting. So we have to make it cute in the time being. So recently I got some Sanrio stickers that I'm gonna just put on the back of my phone for now until hopefully I can get that wildflower case with the bows on it. So let's make it cute for now. Okay, so I've got these 2 stickers. They're both Hello Kitty that I'm just gonna put in the case for now. So this is the phone for now. Here's what the case looks like. I think it turned out pretty cute. I hope that I inspired you to make your phone coquette and try to make your phone look coquette. I mean, this is what it looks like right now. I'm honestly pretty proud of it though, because I didn't expect very much coming into this because I don't really know my technology that well. But I think it turned out well. So I just wanted to say thank you. And thank you to everyone who's been supporting me on my Instagram. If you haven't followed it already, you totally should. As well as my TikTok and Spotify. What's the harm in doing so? And if you haven't already, subscribe. And I just want to say a big thank you to everyone on my Instagram who's been supporting me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.